major contributor to climate change is deforestation, which leads to habitat loss. Take a forester example. When people cut down trees, the animals which depend on these trees end up dying, which leads to a loss of biodiversity.
Soil erosion is when the topsoil of a land is displaced. This can lead to flooding and desertification. Desertification, to simply put it, is bad because it does not allow life to grow on that land, which can lead to a loss of biodiversity. Thanks to the Sarkar, we also know that without trees, rainfall decreases. Why? Because trees expel water vapor from their leaves, and this water evaporates into the atmosphere. This water then eventually precipitates back down as rainfall.
Additionally, a forest is a carbon sink, meaning that it removes carbon dioxide from the atmosphere. If the forest were to be cut down, that would mean these carbon dioxides would be released back into the atmosphere, rising the Earth's temperatures, leading to climate change.
Silvopasturing is a farming practice that integrates trees and pastures into a single system. This solution can increase biodiversity because the shrubs and trees that are put onto the pasture can be a home for a variety of wildlife. Silvopasturing can increase biodiversity in a pasture because the shrubs and trees that are put into the environment can be a nesting cover, protection from predators, or food source for a variety of wildlife.
Silvopasture is an important technique that everyone should care about given the world's need to produce climate-friendly livestock products to meet global demands for meat and dairy. Our solution involves adopting a certain amount of land, 215 million hectares, by the year of 2050 to use for silvopastures. By doing this, the total atmospheric CO2 reduction for this plan will involve 31.2 gigatons of carbon dioxide equivalent by the year 2050. The net cost of this scenario would be $41.6 billion, but the net savings would be $699.4 billion, and the increase in global livestock yield would be 0.8 million metric tons.
You might ask, what can you do to get involved? For one, you can sneak onto farmers' pastures during the night and plant trees for them.
Just kidding! In reality, you should go and talk to your local farmers to consider silvopasturing. Hello, local farmer. Would you consider silvopasturing, which means planting trees on your farm to challenge the rate of deforestation and to increase biodiversity?
Okay.